YouTube, this is Kozramo said so, and today we are back with a new tutorial on Adobe After Effects. Our tutorial today is how to make a simple animation on After Effects. Then we are going step by step on how saving it as a file called Lottifile using Bodymovin library. And as a start, we made a composition. And if we go ahead and click on composition settings, we are going to see that its width is 800 and height of 300. And it will serve our purpose of making a heartbeat using only pen tool on After Effects. So select the pen tool, then we are going to draw our heartbeat. Then go ahead and select rectangle tool and then draw the rectangle on top of the heartbeat shape. Make sure that the fill of the rectangle matches the color of the composition you created and the stroke has none. Then go to rectangle, transform position. Make sure that your cursor is at the start or the indicator. Then go to position and click on this right here. This means that the rectangle is set on this position at this particular time. And if we move the indicator ahead, it means that I need my second position of my rectangle to be around here. And let's move this rectangle to the outside. If you need this to move faster, go ahead and get back to position and grab this and move it back a little. This will make the rectangle move faster. If you need it even faster, maybe this one is better. Now if you are done with your shape, you need to go to Window, go to Extensions, and you have to make sure that you have installed your Bodymovin library into After Effects. And to do so, you need to go to Bodymovin website and download the package and go ahead and install it into After Effects. And it's explained step by step in there. And we are going to skip that part and show you how to render this movie into Bodymovin. To do so, click on Bodymovin. We have our movie right here. Click on Selected. Then click on here to indicate where you want this one to be saved. And we need this one to be saved on our desktop. Heartbeat. Save. Then click on Render. Now all we need to check our animation if it's working fine to grab this JSON file and drop it on Lottifiles.com, and it will automatically review our animation here. It's working fine. If you liked the tutorial, hit the like button and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.